Hey gang, just a quick one here. I'm starting with Alaska, and that will have a full cure, just doing the one coat. And these are neon pigments from Diamond Glitters. They have got these and others on there. I've got them all, but I didn't think I'd fit them all on here. I'm just doing a rough ombre. I probably should have tried to do a neater ombre. Maybe I'll do a video on how to get a nicer ombre with pigments. Shall I? Yes, it's on the list. It's on the to-do list. Tapping off the excess, I'm going to pop that back in the lamp and finish the cure, and then dust off the stuffs. I can't think properly because I'm silently raging. I've just tried to help some, this is base coat and that will be cured, help some people over 60 with technology, and they both got an account on the same laptop, like 2 users. They both want the same things, pictures in their gallery. Well, I said, well, why doesn't just one of you have them on there? Well, I want to be able to look at them. Well, you're not hiding much from each other. Just click on the other person's thing, or we put them on the external hard drive. Oh, well, should I individually email, hundreds of pictures to myself, and then I can go into my... No! What? You may as well bloody fax them over, or, I don't know, send a telegram. It's painful. It's physically painful. I didn't know whether to cry or put my head through a wall or in the fucking oven. It's painful. Anyway, back to the task at hand. So I put base coat on after the pigments. I'm so angry! And that was cured, just to give me a smooth surface to paint these lines on that I flash cured as I went, so as not to drag one into the other. And then filled in some black bits, cured, full cure, and now I'm adding white in sections. I then decided to fill in some of the sections with white and then change my mind because I didn't like it, so I wiped it off. And then I will top coat and I'll be done. So now you know what's happening. I can get back to bitching and moaning. I'm kidding, I won't. I'll carry on talking about the nail. I'm painting a white line. So this design I saw on Pinterest, I think quite a few years ago, and it's always been in my head. It probably actually looks nothing like this after the years it's been in my head. So it's inspired by somebody, but I don't know who, so sorry about that. There it is, all shiny and bright and funky. I hope you like it. Subscribe for lots more videos. I hope you're all keeping safe. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.